湾天马的观众，大家好，我是天马的 Sandy。那今天很高兴呢，邀请我们的 Senior Sales Engineer Chris 来为我们介绍这个 Fuse X1 的 workflow 的部分。
Let's get into it. So this is the latest flagship system from Formlabs, the Fuse X1. A quick overview of our workflow. It starts out with the vacuum conveyor on top of the system. We use that to transport mixed powder into our 100-liter hopper. Once powder is installed, customers will have the ability to upload their file. Files are created on PreForm, which is our slicer software. You can upload files via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB. For daily maintenance and upkeep, there is a built-in maintenance schedule to clean various parts, to look at filters, a built-in user manual to the printer to maximize uptime and reduce any part inconsistencies. Next, I will have Sandy roll on the build chamber, just to show you how easy it is for anyone to load in the build chamber. Next, you will open up the inside if you want to take a closer look. We'll show you the large build volume, the build plate. Each printable area is 330 by 330 millimeters with a 565 millimeter easy light. We have 8 quartz tubes or heaters, as well as intelligent systems to monitor heat and powder during the printing process to get very accurate, very repeatable parts. Before each build, customers will clean the inside of the build chamber. Once that's installed, close the door, find their print, press go, and wait for it to finish. For post-processing, we are utilizing the Sift X1. Now that Sandy's build has finished, she will roll over the build chamber into the Sift. After a build is completed on the Fuse X1, it will go through a required cooldown period to about 100 degrees Celsius. From there, users have the ability to move it over to the Sift or into open air and start a new job right away. Once parts have fully cooled and they pass a process to about 50 to 40 degrees Celsius, you'll have the ability to reclaim your powder and grab your parts. The Sift has the ability to lower and raise your build plate into the sifting area. There is a large opening that will very quickly take all of your used powder. Underneath the hopper, there is 300 liters of capacity, which means customers will not need to reuse and dose their used powder more than once a week. What that allows for is a little bit more flexibility on when customers need to start up new jobs, mix their powder, giving them the opportunity to run the build however they see fit. Once powder needs to move on to the next station, there is a auger that takes the powder from the bottom over to the right here, where we have a vibratory element and a filter that will sift and separate good powder from bad powder. Once the powder is appropriately sifted, it then goes to a tube system, which will then move into your mixer station.
OK， 那各位，我们今天完成了我们的这个喷砂的动作。今天这些呢物件都是我们透过 Fuse X1 列印出来的物件。那很感谢Chris 今天为我们介绍这个Fuse X1 这个工作的流程。那如果各位有想要再多了解的地方，欢迎到我们天马的官网这边来询问。Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.